Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SmartThings, how to see connected devices. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To see the connected devices in your SmartThings setup, what you need to do is head over and open up your SmartThings app. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the devices option on the bottom of the screen. Then once you are here, this will show a list of all your connected devices organized by room or category, example lights, plugs or sensors. Then you can see devices in specific rooms as well, like living room or bedroom. Then the device can also be grouped by type, example bulbs, thermostats, cameras as well. Then you can tap on any device to control it or adjust its settings. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.